I will miscontaminate. It's better for me. Infection is like another thing.
That's what you get when you go to a hospital.
Okay, I want to thank you, Franco. In the master class, I think for me, master class is the one challenge. If you know master class, the advice is not to go to master class, because you need to know where is your level. You need to, because otherwise it's gonna be too much information. So I prefer, it's not about the quantity, how much you want to learn, it's about the quality. It's about what you need to clean your movement, to be better, like we said, you need to take the time to understand your body, to understand the movement. After you do many times your movement, after that your body is going to react before your brain, and then the movement is natural. You understand? It's because you used to do, and then it's happening. It's not to go to the classes, to learn, and then, okay, I go now, I know how to do. Yeah, but and then you know how to do, but you need to put in the music in the right place. Yes. You understand? It's like in the Cuban, oh look, I dance Cuban. Yeah, but in Cuba we don't do that all the time. You need to do this when the music tells you what to do. Yes. You understand? And this is very important to know. And this is, I think, is even more than master class. It's just to learn first, to listen to the music, to you like the music, then the music make you like and make you dance. You understand? Makes sense? Yes. Because I don't want to do step. Hey, Mario, por favor, please. That in master classes, yes, you're learning. But when people come to master classes, sometimes, you know, I see people like this, like, come on. I say, no, come on, no, come on. You need to repeat again, and one more time. So after we see you got it, is what we do. But now in this moment, in the salsa world, it's very important to know something. It's not about running first. You need to walk. After you learn how to walk, is when you can go, oh, how you move each other, how you move this, because I dancing like for 15 years, and you know what? I don't know if you agree with me, but we getting better with all of you. You know how many times we do this, and how many times I get better because thanks to you. You know what I mean? It's about we learning. I mean, my move is getting better with you. And when I go to my classes, I say to everyone, it's not about, oh, I'm the teacher. No, we are here or inspired. Don't take me in this way. We are here to share, and we're here to have fun. And that's it. I'm all I don't know.